Welcome back to Uniqs Learning. Today we are going to reveal you the secrets to master in mathematics. How many of you dare to say, I love mathematics? Many students are afraid of mathematics. This is because for numbers, formulas, symbols and calculations, vast majority of us are just outsiders, including me. But just keep in mind, mathematics is another language. It's a human language, just like English, Spanish, and Chinese. I'm telling so because mathematics help us to communicate with each other. Mathematics has become the language for all other sciences. Can you imagine a world of physics without mathematics? The laws of nature are written in the language of mathematics. We are deep down born to be mathematicians. Therefore, do not ever try to memorize mathematics. Have you ever seen a pianist who memorizes each and every key to be pressed in a melody? It will be a torture to do so. Instead, what the pianist does is, he will learn the variations between the keys which will allow him to use it freely. Mathematics is a sense. Yes, you heard me correctly. It is a sense, just like your touch and sight. It's a sense that would allow to perceive the realities which would be otherwise intangible to us. Probably you should have heard of sense of humor or the sense of style. Mathematics is the sense of pattern, the sense of relationships and logical connections. It's a whole new way to see the world. Naturally, some people are born with sharper senses than others. For example, me myself is short-sighted. Everything is a blur to me when I remove my glasses. I wrestled with this sense my whole life, but I never ever dreamed of saying. Seeing has always become a struggle for me. Maybe I'm not just a seeing kind of person. I would never say this. But I have met so many students and so many adults who say the exact same words about mathematics. My friend, this is a very bad thing. We are closing a very large part of life by doing this. Because human beings are wired up deep inside to see patterns. Not only to see patterns, but also to create patterns. We call them artists, musicians, sculptors, cinematographers. They are all pattern creators. There is an incredible study on mistakes that I want to share with you. Jason Moser and his colleagues actually found out from MRI scans that your brain grows when you make a mistake in mathematics. Fantastic, isn't it? When you make a mistake, synapses fire in the brain. And in fact, in their MRI scan, they found that when people made a mistake, synapses fired. So making mistakes is really good. I really want my students to know this. Have you ever heard of growth mindset? What is a growth mindset? Well, do you believe that your talents can be improved and developed through hard work, good strategies, and by input from others? Then yes, you have a growth mindset. On the other hand, if you believe what you got is the gift you got and cannot be changed, in fact, you are having a fixed mindset. People with fixed mindset will do nothing to develop the skills based on two facts. One is thinking you are smart and no need more work, or thinking you are not smart enough to improve and go forward. So I want my students to have a growth mindset. That is why I encourage mistakes. In fact, there is evidence that the brain growth that I just mentioned is higher when a person with growth mindset makes a mistake when compared to a person with fixed mindset. People with growth mindset believe that they have unlimited potential and could learn anything. They work really hard to improve their skills because they know their potentials. So finally, as a summary, do not be afraid of mathematics. It's another sense of yours. You just need to work hard to sharpen it. Do not memorize mathematics. The beauty of mathematics is that it is practical. Only thing you need to do is ask the right question to understand why. Always have a growth mindset. You have unlimited potentials to reach. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. In fact, it's a great opportunity to learn something new. So you should celebrate your mistakes. And as I always say, if you do not make mistakes, the reason is that you are not doing anything. So keep trying. Never give up. Practice will make you perfect. And do not be afraid to say, I love mathematics, because it is the easiest language in the world that everyone can understand. So, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope it helped you to look at this beautiful subject in a different way. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will not miss any future videos that we upload. So thank you very much. See you in another video.